Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, I don't come again today. Today, waiting I take come now, waiting be say it go make many of like this hard. You understand me? I know so many people will come out and will say, hey, Cosmos, you today talk what you don't know, my brother. If you don't know anything, just keep your mouth shut and sit down. You see Uche say she was in there. You see her body. You see her body. You see what is running over her body. This girl is a beautiful girl. You understand me? It's a very beautiful girl that she's supposed to leave her body for God. And leave her body for God. Just buy small cream where you know say that this cream na it exist. Buy am, use am take rub yourself. But this my sister, you know how to sell many organic cream. All this organic cream now wey una dey sell dey use for una body. Una no know where e for dey come. You dey hear me so? China where they produce all this organic cream now. China dey produce am. They go sell give una. Una go dey buy. Everything una go dey buy. See im body now. People now wey don use this organic cream now wey she use now so this thing now go still affect those people now so. All organic cream now so na im wan end this beautiful woman career. Na im wan kill am. See now so they don confirm say she go soon die. Don dey sick since. No wonder no dey see am again. You know dey come online. You know they come online, you know they post picture, you know they post everything again. I say, wetin dey happen to this girl? This girl, because at least if you know somebody, you know am before. Say you dey see am dey post status, they put status for WhatsApp or all this kind of thing. You understand? Later, you know they put status again. And you know, person when e be say dem debuts all this Nollywood actor and actors, dem debuts every day that they shoot movie, na there that they get most of their money. But just because say they no dey use eye see organic cream, and when dem bring this organic cream come, all dis our single mothers wey dem dey Europe, all of them wan follow. I know one woman now when e be say im cream wey e dey run for this Europe now so na how much for Nigeria money? For Nigeria money almost 380,000. Na im be Nigeria money. Na she take dey buy the cream wey she dey rub. If you see am now, you don turn to white woman. I say all this thing no be your beauty. After having 4 children and now you want to dey rub cream of 380 something thousand. You understand? Organic cream una dey rub, una no know where dem dey manufacture and dey come from. Una no know anything about them. You understand me? I know say this life where we dey so, if it's something where you dey do, you come see and say e kill some people, you wey be woman, you need to reduce. Because why? If it's something never kill somebody, the other ones no dey hear, no dey get lesson. See, this my sister now, see all her body now. All her body now, see all her body now. She's not afraid anymore. She's not they shame again say na her pekus she dey show for online. You dey hear me so? She not dey care say na her own pekus she dey show online. Because why? She dey between life and death. Na she dey so. Make we dey try to use our body where we get till they dey okay for us. You understand me? If na normal caro white you go buy caro white, use am take screen yourself as you want am, take make yourself light as you want am. You must not go dey order organic cream wey dem do for China when e be say dem fit do anything to make money. Our people say no. They like it. Look at this beautiful woman now. She want to lose her body. She want to lose her life just because all about organic cream. You dey hear me so? Very beautiful woman. But I pray that some people will rescue her where they will take her and go abroad, go treat. This is what many people have been preaching, say Nigeria don't have any hospital, any good care. When it be say, if something like this happen to anybody that can carry her or she go to hospital, they go treat them. You know they. But they believe in a Bible or na prayer now, so now in this man, anybody where they see go take they okay, you want healing. See how many people this thing go they affect them. If this thing don't they affect them, many of them go come they think well. They will come they know say this life where we dey so e not really balance. Not just think say because say you dey okay, you get money, you fit fly abroad, you fit do anything. The day where the thing go happen, you no go fit fly abroad. See this beautiful woman now, dey show im nakedness, dey show everything. Because why? Not be she get herself again. She don't know if she will make this thing now, because doctor now don confirm say she go soon die. Hey God, God help us, help us. You understand me? Help us for this life, because this life not really balance. E no really balance. See this beautiful woman now want to lost in life just like this. Hello my people, I don come again o. Today wetin I take carry come na sad news. Una know say me when e be say Abio go cosmos, so na anything when e be say e dey happen, when e be say other ear never dey hear am, na me I dey hear so. You dey hear me so? So wetin I wan come talk about na this girl one I dey see for this social media now, so one I dey see for here. This girl na real Nollywood actress when e be say na she na ogbonga. You know, nobody will not know this girl. You know, Uche Ogbonna na that they call her now. So this girl will soon lose her life. She will soon lose her life. Me, I don't know why she want to lose her life. But what I will tell you people, because before doctor or the woman himself will bring it out, say, doctor say I will soon die. You know, say the thing don't go overboard. It don't go far places. But the thing when the business we Nigerians and we people have to do is to pray for her so that he will get improved. You understand? If you see this woman now, organic cream now don't kill am so. Organic cream, when the business you don't know where they are manufacturing it from. You go just go, they buy cream, they sell am to people. You don't know anything about the cream that you are selling. Look at all her body. All her body don't finish. All her body. Many things don't fool her body. Doctor now don't confirm say she won't die. See as they open her pickles out. They open her pickles, they show it for public. Because why? Not be she dey there. You understand me? This girl on a normal circumstance, you know if you open her body, you know if you see anything about her. Because she's a big girl. But now everything is open. Because why? She did the middle of death. You understand me? You people, when it be say una dey buy organic cream, me una buy the one una know. You must not yellow where God say you are a black. You understand me? Black now black will be. You when they try your best to make sure say you won't become white. You cannot be a white. Now black you be, now black you will remain. You dey hear me so? See this better, and this girl yellow, normally yellow before, not too black like that, but too much of cream. Now they do am like this now. So my brothers and sisters, please, may una help me. May we help ourselves. May we pray for her. Normally, not be prayer she's supposed to take heal. If you say we get good hospital for Nigeria, I think she will survive. Nothing will do her. You understand me? This is what Matthias have been preaching. Say church not be hospital. Now make Oyibo bring hospital church come, they still get hospital where they carry people they go. But Nigeria believe say na church be hospital. Where you talk they go follow you bomber to bomber. Who they suffer am na them. I come in peace.